Hello everybody, I'm up here for you with numbers in the Oromo protests. Numbers in the Oromo protests. 10 weeks since the protests started. 200 people confirmed to have been killed so far. 8 weeks since the protests sparked, 20 people were being killed by the government of Ethiopia. more than 3,000 people injured. over 40,000 people arrested. Over 800 peaceful protesters disappeared. Who is doing all this? The government of Ethiopia. Why the government of Ethiopia does all this? Because people dare to oppose a land grab. Also because people dare to ask their basic democratic and human rights. I stand with Oromo protests. Do you?